Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn from JessicaLynnOriginal Studios, and today again let's make a card. I love LawnFawn. Their images are so adorable, and so I went ahead and I stamped these on and I cut them all out. And then it was kind of funny because I was stamping them and I thought I had hit record and the battery was dead, so I apologize that we're already starting with them stamped and cut out. So we are going to go ahead and create, I want to create like a goat farm scene, if that makes any sense. I don't know, I've been watching this person on TikTok and they have this farm and it's so fun because every morning she's like, "Good morning, my little goats, how are we doing?" And every goat has a name. And so I thought it'd be so cute to do something that just reminds me of what she does. I thought that'd be fun. So I found this pack of paper. I bought it quite a long time ago. I got it at Walmart. It's a little on the thin side, so it really isn't a pack that I would suggest. I'm not totally impressed with it. I'm kind of bummed. All of the prints, it's like somebody had these images perfect for like 8x8 and they went, yeah, make them 12x12, just blow them up. But they didn't bother to fix the resolution, so they're all kind of blurry and not great. But that's okay. So I went ahead and just cut a section off the 12x12 and I thought that looks like one of those tin rusty barns that the goats would have. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that, and I'm gonna go ahead and create a grass kind of scene down at the bottom, and then I'm gonna put the tin little barn for the goats up on the top so that the goats will stand in front of it, almost like they're not in their barn, they're outside playing. So again, I'm going to use my Distress Oxide. I'm going to use two colors to kind of build up grass on the bottom. So we're just going to color it all in. And I'm not too worried because I am going to put that barn paper above it. So I'm really just looking to kind of get a base for them to stand on. But I'm trying to make it look grassy and kind of fun. And I think this is going to look pretty good. I'm excited to see how this finishes out. So there's all the grass, and now we're going to go ahead and put the actual barn on there. And I opted to put more of the brown, only because the green, there's already green grass. But I thought it'll look good. And it's so funny because the grass, to me, it sort of reminds me of The Sims. Like when you spray paint the grass a different color. Just kind of made me laugh. So we're going to go ahead and glue this on, and then we're going to attach the barn to the actual card. We're just going to go in and trim off all of the extra. There we go. There we go. Just get all these little pieces out of the way. There we go. Looks so cute. I like it. I think it's going to be a very cute card. Alright, so let's go ahead and move this out of the way, and we will start actually coloring in the goats. I am going to put just a little bit of color on it because I want to kind of blend it. I think that'll look good. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Alright, so let's let this dry. Just going to trim that little piece off there. It was bothering me. Very small. Alright. So now that we've got that all ready, let's get our goats all lined up. Let's get our goats in line. I like the one where it's jumping. See the one on the top there? It looks like it's just like, woohoo, I don't listen to anything you say. And the other one, the other little one, looks very much like, I'll do whatever you're asking, Mom. You know, like a perfect little spoiled little goat. So we're going to get these all colored in. And I went and found a couple of different colors. I went with some browns and some tans. I'm going to make one gray goat, I think. And I think this is going to look pretty good. Although, it's so funny, as I started coloring, I was like, oh, they look like little cows the way I did it. But very, very cute. So let's get these all colored in with Copics, and then we will start assembling the rest of the card. I just wanted to toss a reminder out there while I'm coloring. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that little icon on the bottom right hand side. Go ahead and subscribe. It'll tell you whenever I upload a new video. It doesn't cost anything. And the nice part is it'll tell you anytime you log onto YouTube, unless you have the notify me set up to email you. And the nice part is that you'll be able to see all of my card making videos, as well as adventures, trips, and so much more. So thank you again for subscribing if you haven't already done so. And if you already have, well, I thank you. Now it's the fun time. Now I get to kind of figure out how we're gonna place these, and I think this looks pretty good. I like that the little one that looks like he's being a sassafras there is jumping off the hay. Like I said, I've been watching these TikTok videos, and this lady went and bought these goats, these kids, a whole child's playground. So it's got, what are those, step 2, where it's got the little slide, and it had a little pirate wheel, and then there was another one attached to it that had another slide, so the little goats could jump between the little playgrounds, or they could come down the slide, or start coming down the slide and then jump into a pool and into some other stuff. Like, it was adorable. Like, it was so cute. Now, the little goat that's on the hay, I did put him on a foam riser just so that he would pop, because I just thought it looks like he's da-da-da-da. And let's go ahead and add a sentiment to this, and I'm going to put on there, you goat this. You know, because like the baby, you goat this. You got this, little goat. So we're going to just glue it right there. I'm going to put the bottom right there. Boom. There we go. Oh, it's so cute. That's really cute. And they're all kind of standing around watching, like, yay, you can do it. Jump off the hay bale. And the other one's like, oh, he's a show-off. I don't know. They're so adorable. They're just, this is one of my favorite. I like their little cutesy stamps like this. And what I like is that every stamp company has a little bit of a different style. But this is so cute. Background, super easy. Love the grassy bottom. Love the sentiment. So adorable. Don't forget to sign the back of your cards. I know I say this every video. You'll probably start saying it along with me. But it's really important because that's how people know that you made this card and took your time. So again, this is a LawnFawn stamp set. I will link it down below if you're interested in taking a look at it. I really enjoyed making this card. I think it's so cute. I like building little scenes. This almost has like that, almost like a child's book kind of thing, kind of a moment, right? Well, I just want to take a moment and say thank you so much for watching. Be sure to visit our website, JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, doesn't cost anything. Just send you a reminder whenever we upload a new video. Be sure to like this video so other card makers get notified of this video. And then don't forget to comment. I'd love to hear from you. Take care.